DB Electrical 410-14008 Starter. The DB Electrical 410-14008 Starter is a reliable and high-quality product offered by DB Electrical, a trusted brand in the industry. With its impressive specifications and performance, this starter is designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the DB Electrical 410-14008 Starter is its durability. Constructed with quality materials, this starter is built to withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting performance. Whether you're using it for personal or professional purposes, you can rely on this starter to consistently deliver excellent results. The amperage of 12 amps and voltage of 12 volts make this starter suitable for a wide range of electrical systems. It provides sufficient power to start engines efficiently, making it ideal for both small and large vehicles, including cars, trucks, and recreational vehicles. Furthermore, the DB Electrical 410-14008 starter comes from DB Electrical,